Okay, let's get some paper cut. Not some paper cuts, some paper cut. This one's going to be a pocket, I think. So if our thing is, I forgot what it is across, we'll wait on the pockets. Let's do some of these. Each of our books are different. That's what's messed up. I should have measured them the first time around so that they weren't all different to start with. Oops, sorry. We're going to have a lot of scraps. That's uneven. Oh my gosh, how does that always happen to me? Okay, there we go. Sorry. Uh-oh. I think I did it wrong. How much do I have here? I did do it wrong. I meant to do 6.5. Great, that's okay. We'll use them for this one. Now we'll do 6.5. Now we'll go from the bottom up because that's how the pile is. But I just decided something. You'll see. It might look good, it might not. I don't think I can actually tear it. We'll see. I'll try. I don't think I'll be able to get it straight, though, is the problem. Looks pretty straight. Sorry. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera. Abbott, quit crying, baby. Come here. Okay, now we got 4 and 9. 4 and 9, so... Looks pretty straight. It moved a little. I hope it's okay. So now 6 and 5. We need to move this up. I just realized. Like this. Abbott, quit crying, honey. 6 and 5. 6.5. I almost did it again. Okay, next is 5 and 3. Five and 3, right? 5 and 3. see how people that make journals have so many scraps. Five and three, then what's next? What's next, y'all? 5 and 13 out of 14. I should have ripped all of them, but I forgot that I wanted to rip them. Shoot, I messed up down here. I had it too far off the table. Why are these shorter? Oh, because I didn't put them over here yet. Yes, I did. What the heck is going on? Something happened. Five and three? 6.5? What are we at? Let's see. So we have 6 and 2.5. 4 and 9. That one doesn't have the green ones with it. Oh no. So these go with these. These go with these. Okay, I see what I did. These go with these. Wait, why do we have extra? Okay, we have 6 and 2.5. Then we have 4 and 9. Then we have 6.5. Then we have 5 and... Oh, I did 5 and 13 out of 14. It should have been 5 and 3. But it still looks like it's the same. So let's see what this measures out as. This one's 5 and 13 out of 14. I don't know how that happened. But it worked out. But we're short a signature for 5 and 12/14. I didn't have enough paper. Five and 12/14. Right? Yeah. I should have one more stack of paper and I don't. But that's okay. I can put y'all on pause and go get some. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. It's just missing one piece of paper, but it's okay. It doesn't need all those. Oh, no, it's not, because look, it's right here. So 5 and 13/14, right? Let's see. Yep. Okay.
Today's guest on purpose is Layla Hormozi, self-made entrepreneur and investor who's built and scaled companies worth hundreds of millions of dollars. If you're someone who wants to grow your income, raise your standards, and build real wealth without losing your values, this conversation is essential. It's very rare I get to interview someone and then interview their partner. Yeah, and the fact that we had Alex on the
Is this big enough for that little notebook? I think we gonna need more paper.
It's so fun that I get to interview both within 12 months.
These are gonna be pockets for the bigger journal. Maybe pockets for the inside of this journal. Same with that one. This one can be written on, so I don't know that I want to use cardstock like this in it as a signature. These should be covers. I know what to use. I can go, well, I don't know. Oh wait, I have some tea-dyed paper, but I wanted this to be in the regular journal.
When I hear people say that they want to build confidence, the reason why it's so difficult to do that is because confidence...
Because then I can use it full size. I can make the journals the same size as these papers, so I don't have to waste any of the tea-dyed paper. That one's going to be a pocket because it messed up. See that hole? So I can only use part of it. It got stuck to the pan. I gotta make more. How should I thicken this paper up? I don't have any graph paper here. It's only a few sheets. That's right. It's only 7 sheets, and 2 of them can't be written on. They can just be embellished. I mean, for a small notebook, but it has a spine, so we need it to be more. And I should probably tea-dye all this. I should have tea-dyed it before I cut it all up. Well, no, because then we'd have parts that got cut off that weren't tea-dyed. It would have been a waste of tea-dye. Well, no, because I'm going to use those eventually. Treasure books. Treasure book shows how to use all these, utilize all these scraps. She makes little bitty journals that are keychains and stuff. And also hidden paper clips, and what else? Beads, paper beads made out of paper. We can put a cardstock in each of them. That's probably why I got these out anyway. I have a lot of scrap of paper, but I don't have enough to use like more than one in a thing, so we can only use one. Okay, so 5/12s and 5/13s should be one sheet. It's 6 1/2.
And that's really like the biggest lesson I learned. And then I realized, I was like, all the times that I built the most confidence in myself, I wasn't focused on being confident.
Well, at least I know what 2 signatures it'll work for.
Which meant that I was becoming more competent. And then by consequence,
I'm going to cut it.
I never thought about how to be confident. After I realized, I was like, it just happens naturally if you do these things.
That's such a powerful answer. I just want to break that down for people. You said, in order to feel confident, first we have to develop competence, which gives you the evidence, which then builds confidence. And what I really appreciate about that answer is, so many of us think confidence comes first. And like you said, you're saying the affirmations in the mirror,
that looks littler than 5. No, it doesn't. Let me just measure it again.
Because what you just said is you went up to somewhere at Whole Foods and you try and sell something, whatever it may be, and they rejected
No.
you. And I think that's what's so interesting is that what we actually need is being okay.
It's actually almost, it's, oh yeah, it's not 5 1/14.
Feel good at it before you've ever even done it. And that applies to everything. The first time you go to the gym, you won't have a clue what to do. The first time you go on a date, you'll be
No wonder.
The first time you start a new job in sales, where you've never made a sales call or a cold call, you won't know what to do.
5 and 12.
It's actually, the skill we should be developing is not confidence. It should be...
I would have cut it way too short. Now it's probably right.
Being humble and saying, I don't know.
Yeah.
And that's why you just
Yep,
said, which I love.
it is. Okay, so these are my first two.
Because there are different things where you're still at the beginning of the
Good
journey.
thing we measured it again,
I
huh?
love that you said that because I studied a lot of psychology, and there's one thing that I realized. I was like, where do so much of my insecurity come from? And so much of my insecurity came from wanting to be perfect, wanting to like create this illusion that I was like really good at something. And I had this motto that I shared with a lot of people. Instead of trying to be good, I say, how can I be bad? So I'm going to try and be bad.
So this one's 5 and 12, so this one.
People always say, I'm trying to be bad. And it's because in trying to be bad, it means that I actually
This one's 5 and
aspire to be good.
13. This
And
one.
if I don't take the risk, I'm never going to get it. It's like, you know, I had someone that interviewed me not that long ago, and they said, hey, I saw from your first
Okay,
podcast, some reviews
next.
on Glassdoor from 2016, they were pretty bad. So, you know, do you think what you did really worked? And I said,
I want one we can write on, or at least put a pocket on or something. So this is 5 and 3 and 6.5.
I'm writing a book right now. The whole thing is all lessons and failures because what's been so painful for me is that I think when I was on my journey, I want to be better.
Oops, sorry.
I want to be a high
5
performer. I want to
and
be
3.
I want to get in shape. I want to be all
This
that.
measure 6.5.
So curated and fake.
Yep.
And everyone was talking about like the Lamborghini and they've got this crazy house.
Oh.
They've got this
Almost.
level of like perfection, and it was so hard for me to relate to people. And so also like
Let's do this one a little lower.
content, I'm like the one thing I never want people to think is that in order to have
5
confidence,
and
you're going to
3.
be perfect to have it. It's like no, you have to have the bad. And
Okay.
it comes down to are you willing to experience the emotions that you don't want in order to get the ones that you do want. And I think a lot of people say that they will and say that they're willing, but they're not. Because when everything inside you feels like you're going to die, a lot of people run the other way. Because it might be stepping on stage with people running a board meeting, maybe kicking somebody, something. I know that.
It looks smaller than it's supposed to be. No, well, it is a little smaller. Weird. 6.5 is this one.
Mindset that says, I welcome this opportunity, even though I may get laughed at, may get rejected.
One more.
Failure. What is that then? What do we need to work on instead of confidence?
This one. I can't get it. There we go. So I want it to be cut long ways this way. Or no, this way. So it's cut long ways the other way. 4, 9, and 6, and 2.5. That's almost 8. That's 7.5. Wait. It's almost 7. That's right, though. Weird. I'm gonna cut it a little bit larger. Now the signature feels thicker, but that's because there's one thick paper. This one needs cut. There we go. Now we got our signatures for the small journal. That's going to go in a bigger journal. And the bigger journal we'll work on here in a while. Which is where we're going to use the tea-dyed paper. And we might tea-dye these papers. I got to get some energy up to do it. Because that's a lot of paper to tea-dye. That's a lot of paper to tea-dye. But this is for 6 journals. We're mass making, remember? So let's see if I can tea-dye it all. That it's not hard to tea-dye it. The hard part is putting it all in the oven and waiting for it to dry. Because I have to watch it. Otherwise it could catch on fire or burn. Or, you know what I mean? Catch on fire pretty much is what I'm worried about. And I could, alternatively, I could tea-dye it and put it outside. But then we risk it blowing away. Or getting bug stuff on it. Or, you know what I mean? So I don't really have a window that's large enough to put all the papers in front of when the sun comes out. So I can't really put it in front of a window for it to dry. There's so much of it, I would need a huge window or a sunroom, and I don't have one. I rent a small apartment. Let's see. I guess I would just have to put it in the oven. But really, well, two pieces of the smaller cut one. The cut ones, the signatures, 2 pieces out of it would take out 1 tray, maybe 3. Because normally 2 pieces of regular size paper can fit in 1 cookie sheet. So maybe 3 can. And how many do we have in a signature? Because that's how many times we'd have to put it in the oven. 3, and I can fit 2 trays in the oven at once. But the oven is also broken. It's messed up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I can stick that on top. So we can do two per tray. Or 2 per sitting. Right? 1 tray. 2 trays. So 1 signature, 2 trays. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. 1 signature, 2 trays, 1 oven of a couple minutes. So I guess it wouldn't take that long. It would take like, let's see. So there would be 12 trays, 6 ovens, 6 times 2. That's about 12 minutes, but plus add half. So it's 12, 15 minutes. 15 minutes of oven time and about 10 minutes of tea dyeing time. So that wouldn't be too bad. I guess I could do it. Not right now, though. Later.